Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today it is Saturday morning and I'm out and about around my neighborhood. So we're going to look for some yard sales today and hopefully I can find some good finds and share with you guys when I get back home what I found yard selling. made it back from yard selling, so I want to share with you guys what I found today. Now, I picked up these flowers here. Now, they're perfect for spring. They have multiple colors in them, and I probably can do a DIY project using some of these flowers. Now, I picked these up for 50 cents. And then also, I was able to get these yellow flowers. Now, she had these in a vase, but I didn't want the vase. I just wanted the flowers. And I really love the way these look. Also, these were only 50 cents, so I picked those up. I could probably do another little, some kind of flower arrangement with these. And then I picked up this little bucket here for 25 cents. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I went ahead for 25 cents. You can't beat that. And then I always use these little stands, so I lucked out. I got probably about 6 of these, and she had them marked for 50 cents. But when I went up there, I had about $4 worth of these, and I had this little pumpkin for $1, and she said you could have it all for $3. So I ended up, these only costing me 25 cents for these little stands. So these are great in your 2-tier tray, any of your little vignettes. I mean, these can be placed around your house with any kind of little decor on top. So there's this one that's kind of plain. And then there's this one with the edging on it, which I really like this one. And I ended up getting 2 of these, and I got 4 of these. So you can't beat this for today. Now, I didn't get a lot of stuff, but what I did find is stuff that I will be using in probably one of my next videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, don't forget to check out your next yard sale. You never know what you might find. So I'll see you in my next video, and until next time, happy decorating.